In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform in landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a Typeform you've already created and embed it directly into your landing page so visitors can respond without leaving your site. First, open your browser and head to the Typeform login page. On the sign in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you use for Typeform and complete the sign in. If you're asked to confirm permissions, go ahead and allow access so Typeform can load your workspace properly. This keeps your forms, responses, and settings synced to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, click the form you want to place on your landing page. Make sure you're picking the correct form, especially if you have multiple versions or workspaces. It's a good idea to quickly confirm your form is published and that any required questions, success messages, and branding are set the way you want, because the embedded version will mirror what you've configured here. Next, open the Share section for that form. This is where Typeform provides all the ways to distribute your form. Choose the option to embed in a web page. You'll see different embed formats, like an inline embed that sits inside your page content, or options such as pop-ups and sliders. For most landing pages, inline works best because it keeps the flow simple and visible. Consider how it will fit within your layout and how much space it should take up. Now click View Code. Typeform will generate a small snippet you can place on your site. You'll typically see a script tag and a div container with your form reference. Many builders let you tweak dimensions or enable auto resizing so the form looks great on different screens. Use the preview to confirm spacing and alignment match your page design. When it looks good, click Copy to copy the code. Open your landing page in your website builder or CMS and go to the HTML or custom code area for the section where you want the form to appear. Paste the code, save, and publish or preview your page. Check the live page to make sure the form loads correctly. Test a quick submission and view it on mobile to confirm it's responsive. If it doesn't appear, ensure your page allows embedded scripts and that no content blockers are interfering. That's it. You logged in, selected your form, grabbed the embed code from Share, and pasted it into your landing page. With this setup, visitors can respond right on the page, improving completion rates and keeping the experience smooth.